Hey everyone, we all know how crucial a good night's sleep is. It's the foundation for our physical and mental health. But imagine lying awake night after night, staring at the ceiling while the world around you sleeps. You're exhausted, yet sleep remains just out of reach. This frustrating cycle is all too familiar for millions, but what if the key to restful sleep lies not in prescription pills or synthetic solutions, but in the ancient wisdom of nature? For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to the power of herbs to promote tranquility, ease stress, and invite deep, restorative sleep. These time-tested remedies, often overlooked in our modern world, offer a gentle, holistic approach to reclaiming our nights. And the best part? They work in harmony with your body, not against it. In this video we're going to explore some of the most powerful ancient herbs for sleep, diving into their history, their science-backed benefits, and how you can easily incorporate them into your nightly routine. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to sleepless nights and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized, keep watching. Let's kick things off with Tagara, also known as Indian valerian. This potent herb has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years, revered for its calming and sleep-enhancing properties. Grown in the Himalayas, Tagara boasts beautiful white and blue flowers that hold a secret weapon against insomnia, a powerful volatile oil. This oil is what gives Tagara its incredible sleep-promoting effects. It works by gently nudging the brain into a state of relaxation, easing those racing thoughts and worries that keep us up at night. Think of it as a natural sedative, but without the unwanted side effects or grogginess that can come with conventional sleep aids. And here's the fascinating part. Tagara doesn't just knock you out cold, it actually works with your body's natural sleep cycles to promote deeper, more restful sleep. That means you wake up feeling truly refreshed and energized, not groggy and disoriented. Now, how many sleep medications can promise that? Studies have shown that Tagara can significantly improve sleep quality, reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, and even increase the duration of deep sleep. It's like giving your body the gift of a full night's rest, naturally. The best way to experience the magic of Tagara is through a soothing cup of tea. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried Tagara flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy this calming ritual before bed. Trust me, your mind and body will thank you for it. But that's not all Tagara is good for. This versatile herb is also a natural stress reliever. Remember that volatile oil we talked about? Well, it also works wonders in calming the nervous system, reducing anxiety, and promoting a sense of overall well-being. So if stress is a major sleep saboteur for you, Tagara might just be your new best friend. In a world that's constantly switched on, Tagara offers a gentle reminder to slow down, unwind, and embrace the restorative power of nature. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Now, let's journey deeper into the Himalayas to discover another sleep-enhancing gem, Jatamansi. This revered herb, with its delicate pink flowers and earthy aroma, has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine systems for its remarkable ability to calm the mind, soothe the nerves, and usher in a peaceful night's sleep. Imagine growing at altitudes of up to 10,000 feet, braving harsh winds and unforgiving conditions. That's the resilience of Jatamansi. And it's this very resilience that translates into its potent therapeutic properties. You see, Jatamansi is a natural adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and restore balance. In our fast-paced modern lives, stress has become an unwelcome companion, often robbing us of restful sleep. But Jatamansi acts as a gentle guide, helping us navigate the choppy waters of stress and emerge calmer, more centered, and ready for a good night's rest. It achieves this calming effect by regulating the body's stress response system. Essentially, it helps to dial down the production of cortisol, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on our sleep cycle. With cortisol in check, you're more likely to fall asleep faster, sleep soundly through the night, and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. But Jatamansi's benefits go beyond just sleep. This incredible herb is also known for its mood-boosting properties. It can help to alleviate feelings of anxiety, nervousness, and even mild depression, paving the way for a more positive and balanced emotional state. So, how can you welcome Jatamansi into your life? One of the most popular and effective ways is by enjoying it as a tea. Simply add a teaspoon of dried Jatamansi root to a cup of hot water, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and savor the calming aroma and earthy flavor. You can also find Jatamansi in supplement form, which can be a convenient option for those who prefer a more concentrated dose. Just remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing medical conditions. Now let's talk about an herb that's been creating quite a buzz in the wellness world, ashwagandha. This revered adaptogen, with a history rooted in Ayurveda, has long been celebrated for its ability to combat stress, enhance well-being, and yes, you guessed it, promote restful sleep. Ashwagandha, which translates to smell of horse in Sanskrit, earned its name from its unique ability to boost both energy and stamina, much like a stallion. But don't let the name fool you, this powerful herb won't keep you up at night. In fact, it's a true champion when it comes to combating stress-induced insomnia. You see, ashwagandha works its magic by supporting the body's natural response to stress. It helps to regulate cortisol levels, that pesky stress hormone that can disrupt sleep patterns and leave us feeling wired and tired. By keeping cortisol in check, ashwagandha helps to create a sense of calm and relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. But the benefits of ashwagandha don't stop there. This multifaceted herb is also known to improve sleep quality. Studies have shown that it can increase sleep duration, reduce sleep latency, which is the time it takes to fall asleep, and even promote deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. And here's a bonus. Ashwagandha is a powerhouse of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant activity not only contributes to overall health and well-being, but may also play a role in promoting better sleep by reducing oxidative stress in the brain. Now let's talk about how you can incorporate this ancient adaptogen into your daily routine. Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and even teas. The dosage may vary depending on the individual and the form of ashwagandha used, so it's always best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as needed, under the guidance of your healthcare provider. Whether you're struggling with occasional sleeplessness or looking for a natural way to support your overall well-being, ashwagandha might just be the missing piece in your wellness puzzle. Now I know navigating the world of supplements can feel overwhelming. With so many options out there, it's hard to know which brands are trustworthy and which ones actually deliver on their promises. That's why I want to introduce you to a brand I personally trust and recommend: Himalaya. Himalaya has been a pioneer in herbal wellness for over 90 years, combining the wisdom of Ayurveda with modern scientific research to create high-quality, effective, and sustainable products. Their commitment to purity, potency, and transparency is truly commendable. When it comes to restful sleep, their organic ashwagandha shines. This USDA-certified organic formula is sourced from the pristine foothills of the Himalayas, ensuring you're getting the purest and most potent form of this incredible herb. What I love about Himalaya organic ashwagandha is that it's free from gluten, soy, wheat, and dairy, making it a great option for those with sensitivities. Plus, it's vegan and vegetarian-friendly, aligning with a variety of dietary needs and preferences. Each caplet delivers a potent 670 mg dose of ashwagandha root extract, standardized to contain a minimum of 5% with analydes, the active compounds responsible for ashwagandha's sleep-enhancing and stress-reducing benefits. This standardized extract ensures consistent potency and efficacy with every dose. And because Himalaya prioritizes your well-being, their organic ashwagandha is rigorously tested for quality and purity, so you can rest assured that you're getting a product that's both safe and effective. Remember, incorporating ashwagandha into your routine can be a game-changer for your sleep and overall well-being. And with Himalaya organic ashwagandha, you can embark on your journey to restful sleep with confidence, knowing you're choosing a brand that's committed to your health and the health of the planet. Now, for those who love a little DIY and want to create a personalized sleep ritual, I'm going to share a special bedtime blend that combines the power of the three herbs we discussed: Tagara, Jatamansi, and ashwagandha. This synergistic blend harnesses the unique properties of each herb, working together to create a symphony of relaxation and sleep-enhancing benefits. Think of it as a lullaby for your nervous system, gently guiding you into a state of deep, restful sleep. To create this magical blend, you'll need equal parts of dried Tagara flowers, Jatamansi root, and ashwagandha root powder. You can find these herbs online or at your local health food store. Once you've gathered your ingredients, simply combine them in a jar or airtight container. This will ensure that your blend stays fresh and potent. To prepare your bedtime tea, add a teaspoon of the blend to a cup of hot water. Allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the herbs to infuse the water with their calming properties. For an extra touch of sweetness and soothing, add a drizzle of raw honey to your tea. Honey is not only delicious but also boasts sleep-promoting benefits of its own. It contains a special type of sugar that helps to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. As you sip on your warm and comforting tea, take a moment to unwind and let go of the day's stresses. The gentle aroma of the herbs will fill your senses, creating a tranquil atmosphere that invites sleep. This bedtime blend is a beautiful and effective way to tap into the power of nature for a restful night's sleep. Experiment with different ratios of herbs to find what works best for you, and enjoy the journey to a more peaceful and rejuvenating slumber. As the stars twinkle above, remember that restful sleep isn't a luxury, it's your biological birthright. By marrying ancient herbal wisdom with modern science, you hold the power to reclaim your nights. Start tonight, brew a cup of Tagara tea, try the Himalaya organic Ashwagandha, or craft your sleep blend. Share this journey with others. Click subscribe for more guides, and comment below with your sleep victories. Together, let's awaken to a well-rested world. Sweet dreams.